Celebrity Chef Mark
The
Kalix.
one, the only, Chef Mark.
Our buddy, ChefMarkKalix.
We have celebrity Chef Mark Kalix.
This is Chef Mark Kalix. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making one of my favorites, butternut squash with red Thai curry. Now this is a recipe that's deceptively simple, just a couple of ingredients. I've got some red curry paste, a butternut squash, some coconut milk, and a little bit of chicken broth. So with just a little bit of culinary magic, we're gonna be having a delicious, hot, warm soup in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. There's a couple different ways to handle a butternut squash. My favorite way is to peel and dice the butternut squash. All right, let's get this started here. Into the pot. A little bit of chicken stock. About a cup will do the trick. And some coconut milk. Now, one of the standards of soup making is that you typically want your liquid to cover your ingredients plus about a ½ inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the chicken broth in there. If I need more liquid, I'm gonna add water from here on out. I'm gonna bring this to a simmer. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and then finally our red curry paste. Now I gotta tell you, this stuff's pretty powerful. It's very spicy, so be careful how much you use. It's not something you want to get a big deep breath of either, so be careful. It's got a nice long shelf life, and it comes in a couple different containers. This happens to be the big boy, but you can find this at any Asian grocery store. Keep it in your fridge, and when you need a little punch, add a little bit of this to virtually any recipe. It's gonna really give it some nice flavor and some nice color. Okay. Now we're just gonna give this about 20 minutes on the stovetop. That should soften up the butternut squash enough that we can puree and eat. It's just that simple. All right, our soup has been simmering for about 25 minutes on a medium low. I'm just gonna season this, a little salt, a little pepper, a little salt, touch of white pepper. Nice and creamy. It's even thickened up a touch. Time to give this a quick puree. I like my immersion blender. I'm gonna give this a taste. I'm excited. So let's see what 4 ingredients plus a little salt and pepper can taste like. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Smells fantastic. It's wonderful. It's got just enough heat. It's almost too spicy. I'm dripping everywhere. I famously cannot eat without dribbling on myself, even when we're on camera. Well, this is Chef Mark. Thanks for joining me for this 4-ingredient, keep it simple, roasted butternut squash soup with quite the kick. This is gonna be perfect for a cool fall or winter day. I wanna jazz this up a little bit. A little Thai basil and some bean sprouts on top. Man, you got a whole meal. Delicious. This is Chef Mark. Thanks again for joining me.